Hey guys, work continues on a 34 Ford Coupe. Stick around, I'll show you what I've been up to. Welcome to Rat Rod Bob Builds, and the little shop where dreams come true. So I've been spending a lot of time working on those doors, a couple months basically, and I'm gonna show you them in a minute. But I got them really close now, almost done. I decided to take a break for the doors and work on the front cap some. So I got a good start on that. Well, I guess it's a good start. I'm getting it, just ain't got it yet. So I got the grill shell mounted. I made some flat brackets that bolt to the radiator there and come up. Got it bolted in there, both sides. And I still got to come in. Still got a lot of bracing to do. I'm gonna make some brace to go from here, bolts down on the bottom there, kind of a V shape with bolts to the chassis right there to hold it steady. But right now I can move the grill shell up and down because it still pivots on that one bolt there. Just in case I need to move it up and down. So when I get it exactly up and down like it needs to be, you know, where the hood looks good, then I build this bottom brace it off. Then I got to build a brace up to here and over the top for a hood latch, and I still got a lot of metal work to do up here at the front. I'm going to attempt to build my own grill. I mean, you know, you guys seen me before build grills, so I'm going to do the same for this because to buy one is like outrageous, so I'm gonna build one. Who cares? It's a rat rod. It's gonna be great. Collecting a lot of dust. I had sheet over all this stuff to keep the dust off of it, but it's still get a lot of dust. But the good news is it's collecting dust, but you remember a while back I took it all apart and put some black paint, a couple coats of black paint on all of it, so I got the rust stopped, so now it's just collecting dust. It was worse than that. I just brushed it off, blowed it off with a barrel a little bit. It's still dusty, but yeah, the hood, that's the only thing bad about building a kit car from a bunch of different parts. Because, you know, the body's from one kit manufacturer and the doors is from a different kit manufacturer that didn't even fit at all. I mean, that was for one without even a chop top, so that's not good. The hood is off a different kit manufacturer. The grill shell is totally different manufacturer. So, and none of this stuff fits. But anyway, my buddy on the West Coast, Brian, sent me this hood, and it cost $400 to ship it whole. So we cut it in half and got the shipping. By cutting it in half, the shipping was $200. So he cut it in half, and it was a good thing because it didn't fit anyway. If I'd have had to cut it in half anyway to make it work. So I got it fitting in the back pretty good, and I put a 2x4 up underneath it. Let's see if I can pick it up and see what up underneath there. Got the 2x4 clamp to the firewall back there, and I screwed it down to that 2x4 to hold it flat and straight. Of course, I had some plastic on top of 2x4 so it wouldn't, fiberglass, it wouldn't stick to it. And a fiberglass the top. Now I gotta get it off and turn it upside down, fiberglass the underside of it to strengthen it up. And the back, like I said, the back is kind of fitting. I'm still gonna have to do some, I'm at like, get it fitting right here so I can slide it back just a little bit more on both sides. It's like this on the other side too. But anyway, I'm gonna get it fitting really good in the back, and then I'm gonna get my grill shell adjusted. I can go this way, up and down, whatever. I'm gonna get my grill shell adjusted to where the front of the hood fits as good as I can get it. And then I gotta fill all this in. I gotta put something up underneath the cardboard or something, and then lay fiberglass over this hole and all this front edge. You see on the sides, it don't even come close to fitting there. So I gotta sling some fiberglass on the front of the hood now to get the front of it fitting. So, but before I do that, I gotta flip it over and put in fiberglass the underside of that seam, so it'll be strong and stay in position. You know, because it's kind of weak right now. I need to strengthen that up, so I'm gonna do that and get the hood back on it, get the back fitting, sling fiberglass on the front to get the front where it fits the grill shell. Then get the grill shell. After I do that, get that looking good, I'm gonna get the grill shell. Like I said, I'll build that brace on the bottom, get the grill shell braced up really good, where it won't go up and down and where it'll stay exactly where it needs to be. So I really appreciate you, Brian, helping me out with that hood. Yeah, Brian's building a kit car too, but he's putting a metal, he's buying a metal front cap for his. So yeah, he turned me on to that hood. Appreciate you, Brian. I'm gonna build side panels. And well, after I get the hood done, front and rear, get the hood fitting and the grill shell in the right spot and all that stuff, I'm gonna build a side panel. And I got these inner fenders that come off yet another kit car manufacturer. And of course they don't fit at all, but I do like to see the body line on these 34, 33, 34 comes up, and that body line goes over. I like that part. So I like to keep that. I don't know if I'm gonna cut this out and mold it into just a flat side panel to keep that body line. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet, but yeah, side panels, I build them from scratch out of something I don't know yet. I got some fiberglass, flat pieces of fiberglass, so I'm gonna try that. And I'm gonna put a vent. Not gonna be louvers. I'm just gonna put like a rectangle vent with some fins in it. Well, you have to wait and see when I get done. But anyway, I'm gonna build a vent on the side so to get the heat out of the engine bay. But yeah, side panels with side vents. What we're gonna have there. And like I said, I'm just about done with the doors. It's getting really close. See what I got. You know, I got the door latch, inside door latch. Of course, I got to put a knob on it. Of course, you're not seeing I got the window regulators in, and I got safety locks, which go inside the door. They go inside the door right there. And what happens is, when you turn that, this comes out, and it goes up in that hole right there. It's a safety latch, because suicide doors, I don't like suicide doors too much, because if they happen to come open going down the road, you're gonna have a really bad day. But hey, it is what it is. So I'm gonna put safety latches on to help prevent that. You know, I remember back in the day, old rattle trap cars I drive, I'd be going down the road, the door wouldn't be shut all the way. I'd be going down the road 30, 40 miles an hour, open the door, slam it to get it shut all the way. But if you done that in this, you wouldn't be happy with the end result. I guarantee you. And I got the outer door handles. You know, they go in like that. Gonna be pretty cool. Key, lock them with a key, all that good stuff. And I had them mounted, and I got all the inside. I had to make levers to work the rod for the door latch. I got all that done, but I took it out. So after when I get it painted and put the doors together, I'll put these in at the final end of the deal. And yeah, I still got firewall, floors, dash. I still got a lot of work to do. A lot. Overwhelmed. Hey, it's been hot here. Really, really too hot to work. Actually, I've been coming out at night when it gets dark, work a few hours. Come out about 7, 8 o'clock, worked about midnight. And I mean, you can't tell, you can't see I got much done, but I've been working a lot of hours on it since you seen me last. So there's that. On the doors, I don't have the outside door skins glued on to the inner door yet, and I still got to do that. And then when I get that done, I got to get, you know, do the final fine tuning adjustment on the hinges. I made the hinges where they got a lot of adjustment up and down, in and out, and all that good stuff. And get the door gaps finalized. Got to fine tune the door gaps. Yeah. And get the windows in, get it painted. Of course, that's gonna be after I get the front cap done and after I get the inside floors, firewall, all that done. Before I paint it, I'm gonna finish the doors, get them glued together and all that good stuff. So that's gonna be a while down the road. And I still gotta make trunk hinges. I still gotta make hinges for the trunk lid and get it fitting perfect. You see it got a big gap at the bottom, and latch, hinges, all that on that. So yeah, rear window, windshield. And I'm gonna do all the interior myself. I got a budget brand walking foot sewing machine. So I'm gonna get some black vinyl and sew foam, and I'm gonna make all the interior myself. I think I done said what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna lay fiberglass on the roof, and I'm gonna take that and cut it, and I'm gonna use it for the inside panels. So you guys, I don't know if you guys seen other people do that before, but I'll show you how I'm doing that when I get to it. That's gonna be a long time down the road though. But anyway, yeah, inside door panels, like diamond tuck and roll, stuff like that. It's gonna be great. Another thing I've done since you seen me last, I made the inside trim for around the window. It's right there. Made that from scratch. Of course, you can tell I made it from scratch, but I still need some finishing, Bondo a little here and there. But anyway, it goes in like that. Yep. Good enough for a rat rod. Both of them. I got one for the side too. So yeah, inside door window trim. Got it done. And for those of you that don't know, that's a 429 Thunderjet out of a 68 T-Bird. So you can Google that if you want information on it. C6 automatic, come out of the 68 T-Bird too. And you guys seen Larry, my buddy Larry, Arizona, sent me a bunch of stuff, including that 9-inch locker rear end. It's got 250 gear ratio. So it's not gonna be a race car, it's gonna be a cruiser. I want a cruiser, not a race car with this one. And even though I got racing slicks on the back, or cheater slicks, pie crust cheater slick, and it's got Wellwood disc brakes on the rear. And my monster truck guy, Michael Vader, sent me a Wellwood master cylinder, and of course, I just gonna have the stock GM caliper. I'm gonna have the stock GM calipers on the front, but I think I'm gonna take a white paint pen and write Wellwood on them too, so it looks like I got Wellwood brakes all the way around. So who cares? It's a rat rod. And to go with the 429 Thunderjet, I got Thunderer tires. Thunderer, it's hard to say, but yeah, Thunderer tires to go with the 429 Thunderjet. Is that cool or what? I still got a mountain steering box, and like I done on the Dirty John yellow coupe I just built a while back, I got to do an all filter relocator so I have room for the steering box. But yeah, still got to do that. Got a lot of work to do up there too. It's gonna be great. And for you guys' viewing pleasure, I drug out the old dead redneck, dusted him off, got him hooked up, charged up, ready to go. So Red, what do you think? I'm digging it, Bob. Red, you think this front cap's gonna work? Looks good enough for a rat rod to me. Yeah, I'm digging it too. Yep, Good enough for a rat rod. So I haven't been putting up videos because I don't have a lot to show. I mean, I've been doing a lot of work. I put in a lot of hours since the last video, but no, I didn't make a lot of showing. A lot of stuff that don't make a good showing. So I had no videos. Plus, it's been really, really hot here. So that's the reason I hadn't been putting up videos. Just so you know, everything's fine. It's just hot, and it takes a long time to build something like this. By the way, if you're gonna build a kit car, hopefully you can get the whole kit from the same manufacturer, and instead of parts from several parts from different manufacturers like I've done here, because it's a pain in the butt when the stuff don't fit. Just so you know. But anyway, I mean, that's all I got for this video. I know it's a short video, but some of you guys have been wondering if I'm still even kicking. You hadn't heard from me in a while, so I wanted to show you where I'm at, and so I'm gonna get back to work. Try to get something done for another video one of these days soon, hopefully. All right, later. As usual, guys, that's a lot of work and it's hot. I'm taking the rest of the day off at pay. Appreciate you. See you next time.